Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD video tutorials. I am Prabhu and you are watching this video from cybercadsolutions.com. Today in this session, I am going to explain how to place text entities in AutoCAD. Especially, there are two types of text entities we can place in AutoCAD. One is individual lines of text, that is single line text. Another one is multiple lines of text. To place text entities through toolbars, you have to go to Annotate tab, and here you can observe in the beginning single line text and multi-line text. Two tool buttons were provided. Okay, anyway, I am going to use commands only. So to place single line text, we have to use a command called DT. Otherwise, you can type text, text and press enter. This is normal text, and even the shortcut for normal text or single line text is DT. Type DT and press enter. Now if you observe at the command prompt, the prompt is asking to specify start point of text. Before providing start point of text, if you observe in the command response area, that is above the command prompt, it is saying current text style is standard and current text height is 1 unit and it is annotative no, and justify, that is left, which means justify left means all the text which we are going to place will be left aligned or left justified, and its height would be 1 unit. If you want to change the justification or style, we have to select this or this option from here from the command prompt. We will come to these two options later. First of all, try to place the normal text. So now we will respond to the command response. It is asking to specify start point of text. Okay, I am using my mouse and clicking over here as start point of text. And now what is the command prompt saying? It is asking to specify the height. There is already 1 unit is provided as default value, that is whatever the value we use earlier, it will be shown as default value. If you want the same value, you can press enter or you can type in the required value. I am entering 1 unit again and press enter. Now it is asking to specify the rotation angle of text. So rotation angle can be 0 or 45, 90, whatever the angle required to place the text, you can enter the required angle. But I am going to leave it as it is. I am just pressing enter, which means I want to place the rotation and I want to place the text in 0 angle. So I am pressing enter, accepting 0. Now we have to type the text. Let me type few words. Once you finish typing, press enter. One single enter will bring us to the new line. If you press enter again, it will terminate the command. So this is how we place text entities. So what are the required entities or what are the required inputs to place a text entity? That is start point of text, height of text, and rotation angle of text. Let us try to place the text with a different justification. Now which the text which we have placed is on left aligned. You can observe an insertion point shown on bottom left of this text. Now we will try to place the text using right side justification. So the command will be same. I am typing DT at the command prompt and press enter. Now to change the justification, first of all we have to activate the justify option. You can click on justify or you can type J at command prompt. I am typing J at command prompt and press enter. Now we have so many options like justification options are coming up. In this few are already given with a clear note and few are given like TL, TC, TR. which means top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Let us try to understand what are these different 9 justifications. I am cancelling this command and I would like to explain these justifications once. So if you treat text entity as a box like this, I am trying to draw a box around the text entity. So think that box is this one. I am trying to explain about justifications. Give me 1 minute. If you think this box is a text letter, then there are 9 different justifications. The top ones are called as tops, middles, bottoms. So the first one is top left, top center, top right. This is middle left, middle center, middle right. Similarly, this is bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. So these are the 9 different justifications which we are uh, given in the command prompt. Okay, now try to use the right justification. Right means bottom right only. So I am typing DT at command prompt and press enter. Now take justify option. I am clicking over here. Then I am taking right option from the command prompt. We can type R also at the command prompt to take the right justification. Then it is asking where is your right endpoint of text. I am clicking over here. Then it is asking height. Press enter to leave it as it is. Already 1 is shown as default value. I am pressing enter to leave it as it is. Then it is asking for the rotation angle of the text at command prompt. Again the default value is 0 over there. I am pressing enter again. Now it is asking to type the text. So I am typing like this. You can observe when we give the right justification, the text is floating towards left. Enter to finish. Press enter 2 times to finish the text command. Now if you select these entities, you can observe along with the left justification, we are also getting a right justification. The first entities are on left justified, second entities are right justified. Let us try the middle justification also. So again I am typing DT at the command prompt and press enter. Now go to justify and take middle justification. So I am clicking over here. Now it is asking to specify middle point of text. So I am clicking on the graphic area like this. Now it is asking for height. Just press enter to accept 1, and it is asking for rotation angle of text. Press enter to accept 0 value. Now it is asking to type text. I am typing again same thing. Enter. Now you might have observed that while we are typing, if the justification is left, then text is coming from left to right. If the justification is right, then text is coming from right to left. If the justification is middle, then text is extending towards both the sides, that is on to the left and right, it is getting adjusted automatically. And if you select the text, you can observe middle points are taken as justifications, which means the middle will be aligned throughout the lines of text. So this is how we place single lines of texts, and you hope you understand the necessity of justification. Let me show you a small example of justification one more time. Let us say there is a small circle like this with 3 units radius, and you have to place a text exactly at the center of this circle. So if you take a different justification, what would be the text? Let us try one. I am typing DT at the command prompt and go to justify, say left. Now it is asking to specify the start point of text. I am clicking at the center of this circle. Now height is 1 unit, rotation angle 0, and let us I am entering a value called 100. Enter. You can observe it is not exactly at the center. Then we will try with a different one. we will use middle justification or middle center justification. I am typing DT at the command prompt and take justify option and go to middle center justification. Now it is asking to provide the middle point. Go to the circle center and click on there. Then enter the height, rotation angle and type the required number and press enter. Now you can observe the 100 is exactly placed at the center of the circle. So this is a kind of usage with the justifications. Hope you understand. Then let us go to understand the multi-line text. If you want to draw the multi-line text through toolbar, you have to click here and take multi-line text option. If you want to go with command, then the shortcut for multi-line text is T only. You can simply type T and press enter. It will ask to provide two corners because multi-line text will ask for two corners in which it will try to place the total text entities. So I am clicking one corner over here and dragging and another corner over here. So M text will start and you can observe a text ruler has been showing here and you can observe so many text formatting options available in the ribbon. Okay, let us try to type few words. I am typing like this. Here, if you press enter, it will, whatever the number of times you press enter, it will keep on adding new lines. So here to complete the text or to end the text, we have to click close text editor or you can press Ctrl plus enter. As of now, we will use this one, close text editor. Now you can observe this text is finished within a box. So what is the difference between single lines of text and multiple lines of text? If you select a line from single lines of text, only one line will be selected individually, so that you have to select each line one time. But in multiple lines of text, if you select any line, total all the lines of text in the multi-text will be selected. That is the main difference between individual single line text and multi-line text. Okay, similarly in multi-line text, now we have drawn this with the left justification. We can use right and middle justifications also. Let us try one. Again I am typing T at command prompt and press enter. Now it is asking to specify first corner at the command prompt. I am clicking over here and again if you observe at the bottom it is asking for justification. Just click justify and you can take middle right. Then it is asking opposite corner. I am clicking over here. Now I am starting to type www.cybercadsolutions.com Andhra Pradesh India 522503. So you can observe these lines, text lines are aligned on right side. And if you want to finish, use close text editor. Then I would like to explain few more formatting options from the multi-line text. Let us say if you want to highlight your CyberCAD solutions with the bold letters, select the text and you can click capital B letter shown in the formatting group. So I am clicking over here. You can observe it is changed to bold letters and say you can change color of the text to some different color, say that is some red color or yellow color or green color. I am clicking green. Like this you can give a special property to each line in multi-line text. Let us say you want to change the case of this text to capital. You can directly right click and take case change option, change case and click uppercase. Directly this text will be changed to uppercase and you can put underline, you can make it italic and whatever the required changes you can use whatever available from this formatting group. and once you are finished, simply close text editor so that your text will come like this. Let us try using middle center justification also. So type T at command prompt to place the M text and press enter. Now click the first corner and go to justify option and take middle center justification, then click the bottom right corner and start typing. I am typing the same thing, www.cybercadsolutions.com. Andhra Pradesh, India 522503, and say close text editor. So now you can understand this text is with the middle center justification, that is on left side and right side there is no alignment, but it is aligned with the middle center. So this is how we place individual lines of text and multi-line text. And I have already told you how to use formatting options from multi-line text. There are so many formatting options. Okay, let us try to understand how to change the content of a text. For individual text or multi-line text, the command is same to edit, that is ed. The shortcut to edit text is ed, and it will ask to select an annotation object. Just select whatever the text you want. I am typing like this, say Prabhu. You can change like this, okay, and press enter to finish. Okay, the same command can be used to edit the multi-line text also. Type ed at command prompt and select any multi-line text. The multi-line text editor will open. You can select the text from start to end like this, and you can change the required changes. You can do the changes as required like this. Okay, and you can put an underline over here, and what else, you can change the height from 1 to 1.25. okay, otherwise it seems like a little bigger one. I'm changing to 0.8. okay, man, it is too small. Let me make it 1.0 only. Like this you can do any changes as you need. Okay, even the justifications also, here you can observe different types of justifications in the format bar. You can, if you click, like I'm selecting all the text, and if you click on the left side it will become left justified. If you pick middle it will become middle justified. Like that you can change. You can use any type of justification, or here you can go to spell check, you can use the text with the columns, and we'll come to few of the options later. And once you finish, simply say close text editor. So what is the command to edit any text, that is single line or multiple line? Ed. Type ed and select any text. You can change the content of the text. Now let us try to understand how to change the font. Font means how the text look and feel should come. Let me show you what is the font. There is a command called st, which is text style command. Type st at the command prompt. A dialog box will open. Here if you observe below the font group, Arial font is shown and its preview is available here. If you keep on changing this fonts, you can observe the preview is being changed, and whatever the font you select, that font will be used in the selected text style. And we can create as many styles as we need. That is, if you want to place text with different fonts in the same drawing, then we have to create different text styles. Let us try to create some text styles and use them in the drawing. Okay, so I'm erasing these things. Okay, and let us try to understand how to create text style. So type st at the command prompt and press enter. You will get a dialog box like this. Now the default text style is standard, whose font is Arial. We will try to place our own we will try to create our own text text style. So click on new. I am typing times and say OK. Why I chose Times as text style? Because I would like to use Times New Roman as the font for this text style. So select this text and select this text style and go to font and type T. You will be led to T named fonts. I'm going to select Times New Roman and say select this. It is asking, do you want to save the changes? Say yes. If you observe below this, you can also use regular, bold and italic, this type of font styles also. As of now, I am going to use regular only, and you can give height of the text over here. But if you give the height of the text here, it won't ask you while you are using the command, so that you cannot use different heights of text through command. So I am leaving 0 as it is. This is width factor. If you increase this width factor, the text width will be increased. Let me show you how it works. I am entering 2.0. You can observe in the preview each letter is widened by 2 times. So make it 1 only. This is oblique angle. If I give 15, you can observe all the letters in the preview are angled with 15 degrees. But I want 0 degrees only. And I want to create another style also. Click new and I'm going to create Swiss. Say OK. Then open the font, type S. You will go to S named fonts and I'm going to use Swiss CNBT, Swiss 721 CNBT, and say apply, close. Okay. Now if you observe in the text group, current text style is Swiss. We will try to create text with three styles available now. The standard is a default text style, Swiss is another one which we have created now, Times is another one which we have created now. Let us use the standard one first of all. So type DT at command prompt and go to justify, take left justification. Now it is asking to specify the start point of text. Click the start point, enter the height 1 I am entering as it is, and rotation angle 0 I am entering. Then type the text. I am typing like this: cybercad solutions.com by Prabhu India. Enter. Now if you observe this text, its font is Arial. Let us try to create with Times font. How to change the style? We can directly use this tool button. Just simply click on that style, that will be set as current text style. Or when you type command, that is DT, and press enter, you will get style option. Here also you can type like Times. Already it is there. I am again typing. If you type wrongly, it would say that style is not available, so take care. I am typing Times, it is already there. So you can observe current text style is Times and height is 1 on the top. So now it is asking to specify the start point of text. Simply click over here, enter the height, rotation angle, and keep typing. Enter. Now if you observe both these texts, you can understand the font is changed from this text to this text. Here the style is used Arial font, here Times style using Times New Roman font. Let us try to use the third one. I am going to change the text style to Swiss CNBT. Again type DT at command prompt and pick the start point. Height is 1 unit, rotation angle is 0 unit. Again I am typing like this: www.cybercadsolutions.com by Prabhu from India. Enter. Now you can observe the difference between these three texts, that is the font is completely different from one text style to another text style. The same thing can be used in multi-text also. I am typing T at command prompt to place multi-text, and then now it is saying current text style is switch, current text style is Swiss, and text height is 1 unit. First of all, I am going to pick the first corner. Now if you want to change the text style, you can click this style option and you can say standard. That is, I would like to use standard text style, and pick the other corner and keep typing. By Prabhu from India, and take close text editor option. This is standard text style, and we will try to use the other style. Simply you can change the same thing from here, this tool button. Now take Swiss option and type T at command prompt and take two corners like this and keep typing. Once you're done, you can press Ctrl plus Enter to finish the text command, mtext command. Similarly, we'll use a different text style, that is times. Select the times text style from this button, tool button from the text group, and type T at command prompt. Pick two corners to place the mtext and type the required content. Like this. And if you want to change anything, you can select justifications, and you can increase height also, that is 1.25 times, and whatever the options you want to use, you can use. I'm clicking close text editor. So this is how we create text styles and use them in the drawing. Okay, and I want to explain few more things also. Say for example, you have a plus or minus symbol in the text and you want to place that symbol. How to place that symbol? If it is a normal text, say for example, take edit command ed and press enter, select the text. Let us say tolerance is equal to plus or minus 0.001, that's my value. So how to place plus or minus symbol? You have to type percentage p, that is percent p is the required keys combination to type in, so that you will get plus or minus symbol, then you can type the required value. And then let us say you have got some angle to be, degrees symbol is to be inserted in the text. Let us say, let me take edit command. We have a different option to edit the text entities, that is, you can double click any text entity so that edit command will be activated directly. Let us type angle is equal to 45 degrees. So how to place a degree symbol? For that we have to type percent d, so that these three keys combination percent d will place a degree symbol in the text, and press enter. The same thing can be done in the mtext also. I am just double clicking this text so that text editor will open. I am selecting this bottom one, and otherwise you can place a new line also. Press enter over here and say tolerance is equal to, I want plus or minus symbol. So for that, here in the insert group, take symbol option and click on the plus or minus, so that plus or minus symbol will come, and then you can type in anything. Then similarly, angle, angle, angle is equal to 45 degrees. So to insert degree symbol, go to insert group, click on symbol and take degrees, so that you can place degree symbol. There are so many symbols available from this insert group, you can use any one, and the key combinations are also provided at the end of each option. You can use them in individual lines of text. So this is how we insert different symbols in text. Now take close editor option. This is how we place text entities in AutoCAD. Friends, if you like this video, please share my website link to your friends cybercadsolutions.com, and if you have any doubts you can email me. My email id is cybercadprabhu@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome to the next session.